Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rara Zajeng Pradui from Class Act 23A with NPM 234120008 and the supervising lecturer Miss Marcy Fellow Risky, SE, M.AK. Here, I will explain bank reconciliation. The first is definition of bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is the process of matching a company's internal financial records with the transaction records reported in the bank statement. The purpose of this bank reconciliation is to ensure that the balances and transactions recorded in the company's books match those recorded in the bank account, so that discrepancies or errors can be identified and corrected. The second is causes of bank reconciliation. The causes of bank reconciliation are: A. Outstanding checks. B. Deposits in transit. C. Bank fees. D. Bank interest. E. Inter-account transfers. F. Recording errors. G. Clarification of automatic withdrawals or deposits.
And the last is example, PT Ajeng deposits its funds in Bank GG. At the beginning of May 2019, when receiving the bank statement from Bank GG, the accountant of PT Ajeng noticed a discrepancy between the cash balance in the bank according to its records and the cash balance according to the bank statement. According to its records, the cash balance at the end of April 2019 was Rp 55,500,000, while according to the bank statement from Bank GG, it was Rp 66,700,000. After re-examination, the company's accountant found several additional pieces of information related to the balance discrepancy, namely: 1. The cash deposit to the bank on April 31, 2019, amounting to 12,500,000 has not been recorded by the bank. 2. PT Ajeng's invoice to PTCC amounting to Rp 8,700,000, which was processed by Bank GG, has been successful, and PT Ajeng is not yet aware. 3. Bank interest income amounting to Rp 1,100,000 has not been recorded by PT Ajeng. 4. Bank administration fees amounting to Rp 230,000 have not been recorded by PT Ajeng. 5. A check received by PT Ajeng on April 25 from PT Maju amounting to 5 million Indonesian rupiah turned out to have insufficient funds. 6. A check issued by PT Ajeng at the end of April amounting to 13,830,000 Indonesian rupiah has not yet been cashed by the holder. 7. A check amounting to 7,800,000 Indonesian rupiah received by PT Ajeng from PT Maju. 8. Accounts receivable payments in April, recorded by PT Ajeng's accountant amounting to 1,500,000 Indonesian rupiah. 9. A check amounting to 2,500,000 Indonesian rupiah issued by PT Ajeng in mid-April for vehicle repair expenses, recorded by the accountant for the company as 1,500,000 Indonesian rupiah. Requested, please prepare the bank reconciliation for PT Ajeng.
Answer: PT Ajeng Reconciliasi Laporan Bank 31 May 2019. Saldo per Laporan Bank, Rp 66.700.000. Ditambah A. Setoran dalam perjalanan Rp 12.500.000. Jadi, saldo per Laporan Bank plus setoran dalam perjalanan adalah Rp 79.200.000. Dikurangi Sek beredar Rp 13.830.000. Jadi, saldo akhir bank adalah pengurangan dari hasil penjumlahan saldo pelaporan bank dan setoran dalam perjalanan di kurungi dengan sek beredar adalah Rp 65.370.000. Berbeda dengan penghitungan saldo kas. Saldo awal kas sebesar Rp 55.500.000. Ditambah dengan penagihan putang olah bank sebesar Rp 8.700.000 dan kesalahan pencatatan sebesar Rp 6.300.000 Dan Pendapatan Bunga Bank Sebesar Rp 1.100.000. Didapat Sebesar Rp 16.100.000. Dan Dekurangi. Beban Administrasi Bank Sebesar Rp 230.000. Dan Sek Kosong Sebesar Rp 5.000.000. Dan Kesalahan Pengkatatan Sebesar Rp 1.000.000. Didapetkan Rp 6.230.000. JDI, Saldo Akhir Kas Adalah Saldo Kas Ditambah Dengan Penajahan Putang Bank, Kesalahan Pengkatatan Dan Pendapatan Bunga Bank, Dikurang Dengan Beban Administrasi Bank, Sek Kosong, Dan Kesalahan Pengkatatan Didapatkan Sebesar Rp 65.370.000. That's all the explanation I can provide. If there are any mistakes or shortcomings, I apologize, and I conclude with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.